Okay, so I just changed the oil in my Honda Odyssey 2007, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance minder. As you can see right now, the oil life on my car shows 30%, and I changed this oil because I'm gonna be doing a road trip next week, and I want to have a fresh oil when I do my road trip. So to reset that, all you have to do is turn the ignition switch to the on position. So just go like this, turn it on. Now you want to press and select, make sure that the oil life is showing. If it's not showing, you just have to go keep pressing it until it shows, and then you want to press and hold it for about 10 seconds, and you're gonna see it blink. Let's see, one, two. There you go. So let it go, and then press it again. There you go. It's 100%. I hope this helped you. If this helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can make more video for you.